What's up, guys? So, I wanted to talk about suicide and suicide prevention. So, I've had my struggles with suicidal thoughts in the past. I went through 6 months of where I was felt suicidal and depressed, pretty much, and I want to share a few things with you, a few things you can use to maybe help you through your journey or help somebody else through their journey, you know, because to truly live an awesome life, a fulfilling life, you want to be, contributing to somebody's happiness or somebody's life in some way, and so this could be a tool that you can use to help somebody that you know struggling with depression or suicidal thoughts or anything like that. So enjoy, guys, and let's jump right into it. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is be open about it. Whether it's if it's you struggling, be open about it with somebody you love. And it felt like a burden for me the first time sharing that I had depression and suicidal thoughts. The first time is a lot of times the hardest, but it's so worth it. It was so worth it. I felt, like I said, a weight lifted off of me. So I encourage you to ask somebody, are you feeling depressed? If you sense somebody is feeling like suicidal or whatever, ask them, because you don't, and you never want to be too late on that. So I encourage you, be open and ask people. And so that's the first thing. Those are the first two things, and then the other one was, fill your mind with truth. Fill your mind with good things. Don't fill your mind with media that's depressing, maybe depressing you. Filling your mind with, the things that depress you. Like social media. Maybe social media causes you to be depressed, or your phone help triggers depression and stuff. I encourage you to just go outside in nature and really talk to somebody, and just anything but things that, just filling your mind with good things, filling your mind with, listening to positive music. I mean, one song can change your life, can change, your whole mood for the day. So I encourage you to, fill your mind with good things, fill your mind with truth. That obviously brings up the Bible. I mean, the Bible's filled with truth and so much good knowledge and wisdom. So I encourage you to share, to fill your mind with those things, and fill your mind with good things, whether that's, reading a good book, or whether that's listening to some good music, some positive uplifting music, anything to get your mind off of it, and anything to just enjoy life a little more. And that brings me to my next tip, or it's so refreshing, at least for me and a lot of people I know, is it's refreshing to be out in nature. So I encourage you to just take a hike and go out in nature and enjoy God's creation. It's so beautiful, and it's so amazing. And then also another tip would be to get some, watch your nutrition and get some vitamin D. Go out in the sun, lay out in the sun if you can, if it's weather permits, and get some vitamin D. I know that's helped me with my depression a lot, is going out, getting some vitamin D, and just going out in nature, like I said, just enjoying that, and So this is, I didn't want to make this too long. This is the highest rate of suicide rate, loneliness, and depression ever since the internet came about. So I encourage you, have some face-to-face interactions. Don't just watch YouTube videos all day, or Facebook, Instagram, all those. I encourage you to get some face-to-face interactions, and the more quality time you can get with people face-to-face, the better. So I hope this helped. I pray that God would just fill you with His joy, and that He would bless you. So knowing that Jesus loves you enough, loves you so much, is just so refreshing and so good as well. So anyways, that's the video, guys. I didn't want to make this too long, but I wanted to talk about suicidal thoughts and depression. And but if you're feeling any way suicidal, I have the suicide hotline, National Suicide Hotline, below, and I'll have some links to some good songs that you can listen to. And so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. God bless.